Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. The sun was scorching so hot in our village. Then we said, why don't I have a walk and have a look at whatever we have there in our forest? And remember, it's not only a forest, but it looks like a desert. So I found that we have a multiple of stones that follow each other around here. That form it looks like a fall, something like a fall. They follow each other. They are more than maybe 6 following each other. We have the biggest stone. This is the biggest stone we have here. Then we have that, the first one over there. We have two, which is the one that is down there. Then we have the other up there, that is 3. We have this one, 4, 5. We have 6. We have 7. Most of the time you find there are 2. They are double ones. They are double, yes. For example, this one we have one at the bottom and another at the top. We have others over there, which are also double. Then we find another pair of stones here. They are big ones, as you can see. And remember, when we talk of stones, they are habitats for animals like snakes and so on and so on. Then we have another stone here. It is also a double stone. It has one at the bottom and another at the top. Between them here, they are nothing, as you can see. But you find that some they have some holes there between, where you find some lizards, you find snakes sleeping there at some point. But remember, us as Africans, we fear them, so we cannot just come up there and start playing with them. Then we have another big stone here. It is in between trees. It is a triple one, where we have one down, another, the big one is at the center, then we have the small one there. Then we have another stone here. It's not a bit raised, but it is raised a bit. We have another there, like a small one. When you continue to move, then we have another stone here. These come closer. There is a stone there. I don't know whether you can see it. There is a stone there. It's not that big, but it is a bit big. I don't know how you people, if you had such stones, you could use them. Because literally us, we sit up above them and start watching the nature. Sometimes we find, though our area is so sunny, but you can find the sun is a bit favorable. We sit up there, enjoy ourselves, enjoy the sun of the day. Have a look over there. There are no trees. It's just a dry land, as you can see. But during rainy season, it's a bit green. Then we have a forest there, like a small forest of ours there. It's beautiful, as you can see. Though it's not that green, but it's beautiful. That's what I found as I was moving. And I found, why don't we inform you guys? And I know you love nature, just like me. Tell me, if it were you, how would you have used those stones? What could you have created using those stones? How could you have used them? Maybe to earn a living for you, maybe to benefit the family. How? Okay. Yes, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me grow. someone to help you grow. I help you grow, and we grow as a family. Okay? Yes. Thank you.